This is Phillyswords RC. Got my Kaiju out. Running it on 4S today. Just to bash it around. I think I'm having rear problems. I'm not sure. I'm here to test that out today. Let's get into it.
You must think first, right? Before you move.
Heard that noise. Might be nothing though. Yeah, my dog bone keep coming out because I'm missing the screw right here. I thought it was the car itself, but it's the dog bone. It's coming out because it's too much flex. See right there? It's too much flex. It shouldn't be flexing right there. So that's really my fault. Okay, I popped that dog bone back in action. Hit that bitch hard if you're gonna hit it. I'll try that shit. That shit corny. Too many fucking bugs over here. Alright, sand trap. Kaiju is a beast, cuz that's some trick driving for your ass. Damn. Both tires blew up. Yeah, I blew both front tires. I vented them. I don't know why they blew. They not wet. They just blew. But these, it's the second time these tires blew on me. But as always, hit that like button, subscribe. This is Phillyswords RC, and I'm out.